delicious cottage pie and cheese sandwich. Equal quantities of minced beef, carrot, onion and celery. Fry your beef mince in some delicious fat until it looks like this. Add it to a pan. Season with lots of pepper. Cover with beef stock. Bring up to the boil. Turn down to a slow simmer. Cover and cook until it's soft and tender. Fry your vegetables in the fat from the mince. Realise you should have got a bigger pan or done it in 2 batches. Until it looks like this. Add in the vegetables. Add some water to the pan just to deglaze those caramelized vegetable juices. Add that liquid to the meat and vegetables. Bring back up to the boil. Lid on. Slowly simmer for another half an hour to let all the flavours combine. Drain off most of the stock. Thicken up the meat and vegetables with some cheap gravy granules until it looks like this. Spread your meat and vegetables on 2 slices of bread. Place in your 2 cheese singles. Put the other slice of bread on top. Brush with butter. Fry gently until lovely and golden. That's delicious. Pour it into a container and refrigerate it until it's set solid. Now it's set, flip it out, take a slice and put it on your bread. Put on a couple of cheese slices, put the bread on top of the other bread, brush with a little butter and gently fry, flip it, squish it, cut it in half and enjoy.